The world's oceans account for somewhere in the region of 70% of the Earth's surface. Hidden beneath the depths of the world's great oceans are some very strange and exotic sea creatures, many of which appear to defy all logic. Here are but some of them. Number 5. The ugliest fish. Beauty may be in the eye of the beholder, but everyone knows ugly when they see it. The fish named Blobfish has been voted as the most ugliest creature of the underwater. Lacking both bones and teeth, this odd creature looks like a large-nosed bald man's head that was left in the microwave too long. Perhaps evolution played a cruel joke, or maybe the strategy is to make the rest of the sea creatures feel so bad for this sack of sad that nothing wants to eat it. The blobfish lives at great depths off Australia, Tasmania, and New Zealand. Its appearance is more clownish than repulsive. The gelatinous, soft body of the blobfish has no swim bladder and it moves at the mercy of the currents and eats what drifts by. It floats just above the bottom at depths up to 4,000 feet. However, it certainly proves that looks aren't everything, as it is perfectly adapted to living in its environment, which is among the most challenging on the planet. Number 4. Headless chicken monster. What lives a mile under the sea, has tentacles and fins and looks like a decapitated chicken ready for roasting? The headless chicken monster, of course. Yes, that is actually the name of a rare creature caught on film by researchers working in the Southern Ocean, about 4,000 kilometers, off the southwest corner of Australia in 2018. In truth, it is neither a chicken nor a monster. In fact, it's the swimming sea cucumber, scientific name, Enypniastes eximia, and scientists recently captured video of this bizarre, hen-mimicking swimmer in the Southern Ocean near eastern Antarctica, where it has never been seen before.
Number 3. Layer of most eggs. Resembling a big floating blob, the ocean sunfish, or mola mola, is the world's largest bony fish. But the most amazing thing about this species is its ability to lay more eggs than any other vertebrate that we know of. In fact, a single mola mola can lay over 300 million eggs at a time. Sunfish lay more eggs than any other kind of animal. In fact, a single mola mola can lay over 300 million eggs at a time. This is necessary, as their reproductive strategy is quite risky. Males and females spawn huge amounts of eggs and sperm into the water column, and basically hope for the best. They have no specific courtship rituals or mating seasons, they simply take advantage of being near to other sunfish. Number 2. Fish that walks. This rare deep-sea creature, described as a fish with legs, and named as sea toad, was found in the Gulf of Mexico. Her giant upturned mouth makes her look perpetually sad. Sitting on the bottom of the ocean watching the world go by. Evolution has decided that the traditional use of fins, to propel a fish, it can patiently wait for just the right prey and consume it in one go. Ambush predators use color and light to attract prey to them. Curiosity and attraction means the prey literally come to them. Rather than flapping around with everything else in the ocean competing for the limited food supply, they wait. The sea toad has evolved over millions of years while other species have died out. Number 1. The giant squid. There are few monsters left in the world. As our species has explored and settled the planet, the far-flung areas marked "Here be dragons" have been charted, and toothy terrors once thought to populate the globe have turned out to be imaginary or merely unfamiliar animals. Yet some elusive creatures have retained their monstrous reputation. Foremost among them is Architeuthis dux, the giant squid. Genetics show they've been around for about 730,000 years. They've been in human legends for hundreds of years. Giant squid are the inspiration for the Kraken in Norse mythology, and the beasts in Jules Verne's book, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Giant squid live in the dark depths of the ocean, and very little is known about them to this day. Most of what the world has learned about the gargantuan creature, which can grow up to 40 feet long and live in a world devoid of sunlight, is taken from their floating carcasses, or from the belly of sperm whales. Until 2005, no scientist had ever photographed a living giant squid. One hadn't been filmed until 2013. But scientists believe there are millions of them out there.